Hi guys, welcome back to PowerPoint Glamour. In this video today, let's learn how to create an entire PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT. So this is the blank presentation. So we'll not add any text or any titles. We will use ChatGPT to design the whole thing. So let's go to ChatGPT, and this is the code that you want to write. So we will say, I want you to write me a VBA code for a PowerPoint presentation about the basics of digital marketing. You can give in any topic that you want. Please fill in the text with your knowledge and no placeholders. I will need 5 slides. Okay, so this is the text that you write in, and then you hit go, and then it will do its thing. Okay, so after the code is written, come here and then click copy code, copy the code, and then head back to PowerPoint. So this is a blank presentation. So what you need to do now is we need to go to the VBA editor. You can go to the developer tab and then press Visual Basic, or you can use a shortcut which is Alt and F11. Then the Visual Basic editor opens up. Just go to insert, then click on module. So a new module opens up, and then you can paste the code here. Okay, so after you paste the code, just check if it's running or not. If it has any errors, just click on run. Okay, so the code ran without any errors. Let's head back to the presentation and see what's happening there. Cool. So if you see, the presentation has been created. So this is the title. These are the slides that it has created with the text, with the content as well. So great. So now what you can do is you can go to the designer tab, and then you can give it any design ideas that you might have. So that's it. That's how you create the entire presentation using ChatGPT. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.